you? I'm here to bring you this Curlkit unboxing. Yes, I am super excited. I'm in myself a box with this January 2017 Curlkit unboxing. I know my hair look a mess, but up under the scarf it looks worse. So let's just get into the unboxing. Last month was the December takeover, and I was super excited about that. And I used the products in the Allocate Naturals takeover, and my hair smelled like a fruit bowl, man. I'm like, these products smell yummy. I was hungry after smelling them products because that lemon seagrass was yummy. So we have the original Curlkit logo. This box is heavy, so let's see what's in here, shall we? I just went to my mailbox today. If y'all hear the paper rattling, sorry. And we get the typical rewards program card. We get the list product guide, and we have the Curl Life magazine that tells you the contents that's in the box. So at first glance, looking at the box, they always give you these little scrunchy thingies, and they just get everywhere. Man, first looking at the box, the first glance is, of course, it's a lot of samples. Here's the contents in the box, and yeah, I have to say I look like I'm a little disappointed. I don't know, y'all. I'm thinking about canceling my subscription. I did before because, like, I don't see how y'all do it for a whole year, getting those boxes that like have like nothing. I mean, I get it, it's $25 subscription, but yeah, you get like, anywho. Let's get into the contents. We have some Curl Keeper Total Control for Frizz hair. You get 2 sample packets of that, and you get these amla and olive heavy cream, and you get 4 sample packets of these. Wait, one is cocoa tree detangling stuff, and the other one is heavy cream. So you get 2 of each. That's one, so y'all can see. You get 2 of those, and you get 2 of these sample packets, thingies, and then you get something that looks like lip gloss. It's Lotta Body Control Me Edge Gel Minis that look like lip gloss tubes. Let's not confuse the people. Putting gel on your lips, that is not what's up. Even though some people's lips do be greasy, but this is gel. This is crazy. Why would they do this? Like, could you imagine people that got kids like, oh mommy, let me put on some lip gloss? No baby, that's gel. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're not gonna read the tube. Just confusing people. And then we got Candy Curls Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, Hair and Scalp Treatment. We have those. The only hair mask I've ever used was a hair mask from Shea Moistures, and it's from the Black Castor line, and it was pretty good. Some more sample packets. They love throwing in these sample packets. This is Shea Moistures. I just mentioned them. Coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie with silk protein and neem oil. So you get 2 packets of the same thing. You get 2 packets of these. So yeah. And I mean, they gave us a lot of stuff in this box, but it's like majority sample packets, like always. And this is Novax. What is this exactly? Oh, deep conditioning hair mask. Oh, another hair mask. They want y'all to deep condition this hair, people. It's the winter time, honey. The curls need to be treated. I don't even know if this is full size. I ain't even look at that pant thing, but it looked like it could be a full size. And then you got some Dark and Lovely. The lengthening retention. I mean the length retention. SOS Nourishing Scalp Elixir. This looks like it could be for braids. And I don't wear braids. I haven't had braids in forever. But you get that. And it's new. See the new one there? Alright. And last but not least, that would probably make the box heavy, is Cream. Do they got like some kind of thing with Cream of Nature? Because Cream of Nature be in every box except the Allocate Natural Takeover box. I'm surprised they ain't even throw no Cream of Nature packets in there. Like, hey, we're gonna advertise Cream of Nature. But we got some Eden, let me look at the full size, because conditioning treatment, and then it comes with a sample packet of hydrating shampoo. So this is what probably made the box like super heavy. But this is it. Cream of Nature. You knew we weren't gonna get away without getting some Cream of Nature, boy. They got a contract with Curlkit or something. Like I want our products in every box except the takeovers. But there you have it. The January Curlkit 2017. Looking at the content, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not impressed. I'm just saying, because yeah, Curlkit. No, you got a lot of stuff January, but I was expecting like this the first of the year. You know, we gonna come out with a bang since the Allocate Naturals ended the year on the bang, like the first of the year. I mean, I know every box can't be a takeover, of course. I'm sure everybody shouldn't expect that either. But, man, this is like the January dump box now, seems like. Like, we're just going to take majority of all the stuff that we have given y'all from last year, dump it in one box. And there you have it for January. So, I don't know. It's like I try to keep hope alive. Yeah, keep hope alive. With this box, well, with this Curlkit, hoping the next one will be better. Like the only bomb.com box I ever got was the Allocate Natural box. Yeah, so I'm just saying. Like I say, we can't expect like thousands of dollars worth of content to be in these boxes. Of course I don't, but yeah. And a lot of the stuff like I wouldn't use, like these. My hair is, what my hair gonna do with this? My hair just gonna be like, really? Seriously? You tried it. Because my hair is super thick and it's long. Like, it's, I'm not a new natural. I haven't just big chopped in these little sample packets. I mean, I get it. They give us 2. Thank you for being generous. But man, and people who hair that's like down to here, like, what they gonna do, like one portion of their head with the 2 sample packets? Like, now these little things, like my hair is gonna chew this sample packet up for lunch. Like it's gonna be a snack. It's not gonna do anything at all. I'm sorry. But so I'm on the fence, y'all. I'm on the fence about if I'm gonna keep it or not. Maybe I'll see what February brings. I don't know, I'll try to keep hope. I mean, I get it. Like, they give us the content so we can go out and buy the big products. But if you can't fully use the sample packet to test it, then how are we going to go out and buy the real stuff? I can test a portion of my hair, but yeah, so I don't know. I'm just ranting. Anywho, how's everybody New Year's? You can comment down in description box below. But I hope everybody have a happy New Year's. I hope y'all New Year started off well. As for me, it's always blessed. I'm glad I made it over. Thank God. Praise the Lord for grace and mercy. So I'm excited to see what my year is going to bring. And I hope everybody else is excited. And I hope everybody have a nice day. This is January 14th, 2017. And yeah, just peel this Curlkit out of my mailbox. I really want to throw it back in there and be like, try it again, Curlkit. Please do it over. Let's see what else you come up with. But anywho, I'm just grateful for the samples that we do get in this Curlkit. Y'all know I'm on the fence. Like for real, I'm feeling some kind of way. Like y'all had a bomb.com December one, but January, when the year begins, you would expect it to be like a bang, like wow, you know, like none of this really flows, I don't think, together. Anywho, I hope everybody have a blessed day and have a blessed week. Well, tomorrow's Sunday, so it starts the week off. So yeah, so continue to have a blessed day. Like I said, continue to have a blessed year, and I will see you next month, because they didn't already charge my card for next month's Curlkit. So I will see you next month for February's Curlkit, and have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.